Well, I'm going to talk about basically how to initialize and declare arrays. So what I'm going to do is we can call the constructor. First of all, I create the constant, and a constant value never changes. So I'm calling this array constructor, and inside this array constructor I'm going to pass names. So basically what this is doing is that we are basically created a constant names, and by calling the array constructor, and in the parameters we have passed the values that the array names will hold. Now basically an array is a container that holds values. So what we are going to do is we are going to check that what's the size of this array. Size means what is the length, and we want to check which element is at the beginning. Since this is a zero based index, so we are going to run this, and when we run this we can easily see that the array length is 2. We basically can see that the array length is 2, and the name 0 in index we have John.